Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by removing food and clutter so baits become the main attraction. Once cleared, inspect under sinks, behind the fridge, and along baseboards to find roach traffic lines. Make sure to wear disposable gloves to avoid contaminating bait. Contamination reduces effectiveness. Place 1-2 baits per hotspot, tucked low and out of reach of children and pets. After placing, mark locations mentally or with small tape. This helps you track consumption and next steps. Once done with placements, monitor baits on a 3-4 day cadence to see which are being eaten and where activity concentrates. If a bait is empty or soiled, replace it promptly. If a bait is untouched, try moving it a few inches along the traffic line. Make sure to avoid wide area sprays near active baits because those can repel roaches and stop them from feeding. If you see a cluster or live nests, use a targeted dust or spot spray away from working baits to reduce population. You complete the treatment by maintaining checks weekly and only stopping once you see no activity for 2 consecutive weeks. Make sure to seal cracks, gaps, and drains and reduce moisture sources because elimination without exclusion invites reinfestation. If after 2-3 bait cycles you still see active roaches, rotate to a different bait formulation or increase placement density in hot spots. If problems persist, consult a professional. They can identify resistance, alternative attractants, or hidden harborage you might have missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.